We all know that Earth rotates from west to east. What if I told you that simply reversing the Earth's spin would change life as we know it? From climate to time zones, and even history itself. Welcome to Think Again, where we dive into fascinating what-ifs that twist your perspective. 1. Direction of rotation. Right now, Earth spins from west to east, that's why the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. But what if Earth rotated east to west instead? The sun would rise in the west and set in the east. That alone would feel like we're living in a backwards world. But that's just the beginning. 2. Wind and weather chaos. Earth's rotation affects wind patterns through something called the Coriolis effect. If the spin reversed, so would global wind directions. That means massive changes in climate. For example, the Sahara Desert could become lush and green while the Amazon rainforest might dry up into a barren wasteland. Hurricanes would spin in the opposite direction and form in totally different places. Entire weather systems would be thrown into chaos. 3. Ocean currents flip. Ocean currents? Also reversed. The Gulf Stream, which keeps Europe warm, would flow the other way. As a result, Western Europe could freeze while parts of Canada warm up. Marine life patterns would be completely different. Fishing industries? Crashed. Coastal life? Changed forever. 4. Time zones rewritten. Time zones would flip. The day would still last 24 hours. But sunrise would hit California first, and Tokyo last. International travel, satellite systems, even GPS would need to be redesigned. 5. Global geography gets a rewrite. Eastern coasts of continents, like the US East Coast and East Asia, are currently more populated and economically advanced, partly due to favorable climates. If Earth spun the other way, the western coasts might have been dominant instead. Imagine Los Angeles becoming the New York of the West. And Shanghai just a quiet coastal town. The maps wouldn't change. But the course of civilization would. 6. History would be different. History too could have taken a different route. The age of exploration favored westward sea winds, the trade winds. Reversing them might have stopped Columbus from reaching the Americas. Or at least, not in 1492. Different empires might have risen, or never existed at all. So next time you watch a sunset, remember, it's all because of the direction our planet spins. Reverse that, and the world would be unrecognizable. What seems like a simple twist changes everything. If this made you think again, hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more mind-bending questions that make you look at the world a little differently.